Mice control services. What to expect during the treatment process. Mice can be quite a nuisance in houses, businesses, and other structures. Apart from causing property damage, they also pose a risk of carrying disease, causing parasites like ticks, fleas, and mites. To keep these pests at bay and prevent infestations, it's crucial to rely on professional mice control services. Typically, the treatment process involves an inspection followed by targeted pest control measures that address both the environment and the rodents themselves. This article aims to shed light on what happens during the treatment process for mice control services, so you can have an understanding of what to expect and why it proves to be highly effective in dealing with mouse-related issues. The first step in any mice control service is conducting an inspection of your home, office, or building where the presence of rodents has been identified. During this stage, skilled pest professionals carefully examine signs such as droppings near food sources or nesting materials hidden in to reach areas like attics, basements, or crawl spaces. Our technicians also pay attention to areas like sheds, garages, and patios to identify any gaps or cracks that might serve as easy entry points for these critters. In order to detect all access points for mice within the building structure itself, we may employ devices such as thermal imaging cameras that help us visualize concealed spaces within wall voids and other inaccessible locations. By conducting an inspection and implementing customized measures based on specific assessment procedures, professional mice control services can greatly increase the likelihood of achieving long-lasting results in keeping these rodents away. Exclusion services play a role in controlling mice. This step involves sealing off any entry points that mice can use to enter your home and preventing access. Here's what you can expect during exclusion services. Checking your home for entry points. A trained technician will thoroughly examine your home, paying attention to openings and crevices that mice may exploit to gain entry. Common areas of concern include doorways, windowsills, vents, and garage doors. Removal of droppings and nesting materials. A technician will assess your property for signs of mouse activity, such as droppings or nests. Any waste material discovered will be safely removed using equipment. We also recommend vacuuming areas where droppings have been found to prevent the spread of germs or bacteria throughout the house due to contamination from these materials. To protect areas, our technician will carefully seal each vulnerable spot using special materials, like foam insulation or metal mesh screens. Need help with mice control eradication? Maximum Pest Control Team is highly trained in the techniques for exterminating mice swiftly. Feel free to reach out today so we can discuss how we can permanently eliminate those mouse infestations, calling 905-582-5502.